Welcome back to the Returns Crypto, where I create content that will help you make better decisions investing in cryptocurrency. Today, I want us to focus on the usual Bitcoin to help us accumulate our altcoins, to help us make more Bitcoin. This is the moment for us to accumulate as many Bitcoins as we can. Our altcoins that we focus on are going to help us make that come to pass or make that come to reality. Today, I just want us to look at Bitcoin as usual. Look at what is going on in the market. Look at other altcoins, that we talk about on this platform on a daily basis. And guys, if you have other altcoins that you want me to, talk about, feel free to share your altcoins here. I'm always available for you guys, to make sure you guys have all what you need to get to where you want to be in the future. Now, looking at crypto bubbles, let's see what's going on, for today on crypto bubbles. Let's see for the day what's actually going on here with this, platform. Guys, this is a platform where you can get, awesome project going on in the market, things that are like coins that are pumping, or you just look at this interface to see what is happening generally in the market, and from there you can decide which coin you want to get right now or maybe later on, depending on what is going on. And if say you look at crypto bubbles right now, this is the top 100 to the top, like to the 200 project. I think the market is in blood from the daily time frame. But if we go to the the top 100 project. Let's see the top 100 project. Let's see what's there. Which actually Link is up 4%. Sui is up, I think somehow 3%. Run is up 4%. Yeah, guys, these are the coins that are among the top 100 coins that are doing well. But overall, I think the market is not looking that good, and I want us to address that, guys. I want us to see where we are right now, and then try to analyze what we can do in the future, because I think Bitcoin is gonna be doing not well. I'm gonna explain to you guys what I think will happen in the future with Bitcoin. So let's just get into Bitcoin right away. And okay, guys, we are seeing this huge buy signal here. It's like Bitcoin heard what I said, that Bitcoin won't be doing well. But guys, let me go to another area where I want us to look at this properly. First of all, I talk about Ethereum, but Ethereum didn't, the trade I talk about didn't play out well. You can see price was still within the alpha trend, and we didn't see a bounce back. But let's go to the alpha Bitcoin first, then we can go to Ethereum. You can see Ethereum is doing well somehow. There's this point, green, not blue or violet candle print. This is violet vector candles. It has printed here. It has been printed here. And when I see such candles, I want to assume that more buying pressure is coming on board, or maybe the downtrend is getting to an end or is ended. But let's get to the alpha. Let's see what is here with Bitcoin. Actually, guys, the same theory it plays here with Bitcoin, and I love what Bitcoin just did. This pump with Bitcoin is healthy, and when Bitcoin about pump like this, it always results to more higher prices. But what we want to see here is, for this pump should close above the 50 moving average. This is it here. It should close above this 50 moving average. If that's not the case, then it's just gonna be a fake out pump, right? What you're seeing here, if it doesn't close above or like above this, let me show you guys what I'm trying to say here. I think we have to be able to do this, so we all can be able to understand what we need to make decisions as we invest. So this is what Bitcoin have to do. Price have to move like this, go up, come down. If price is going to hold this area there, then I think that's going to be a good move to the upside. If not, then guys, this is not going to be a fake pump. And I think if say you see a pump like this, just cash out your profit from if say you are trading, you say you are in long, Bitcoin has given you a signal that I'm going to be maybe going down soon. But now the reason why I mentioned that, you can see this moving average when price was going up. This is actually the 50 minutes time frame. Actually, I can show you guys properly. When price was going up, price was above this moving average. This is the 50-day moving average, and now price is below it. You can see this price is respecting this movement. It has pumped, but now it is still below this 50-day moving average. So I wouldn't say that Bitcoin is gonna be somehow moving short term, right? Well, let's just see. Maybe when the market will open, things might be different. But looking at the fact that the market is price is below the 50-day moving average before the market is not open, it's not a good sign for us, right? And if say I want to go deeper to look at what I can see here on the 4 hours time frame, we're gonna see that actually on the 4 hours time frame with Bitcoin, price is actually the alpha trend is still print this buy signal here, and price is still above the 50-day moving average on the higher time frame. That's the 4 hours time frame. So we can still say that we are bullish, because if say price is still above that 50-day moving average, it means price is still above $40,000. And if price is above $40,000, then we are still bullish with Bitcoin. Bitcoin can still make a huge move to the upside, which is possible. So I want to see Bitcoin stay above this 200-day moving average and also above the 50-day moving average. If this is the case, then we can confirm that, or we can say we are still in the trend, as of now. But what is going to happen with other altcoins, right? I mentioned Ethereum. Ethereum it's gonna be moving alongside Bitcoin, no doubt. But there is this trade I mentioned here with Ethereum, but it hasn't yet played out. Well, if say I look at the daily time frame, at the 4 hours time frame, I can also confirm that Ethereum actually is gonna be above this 50-day moving average. If say we see Ethereum trade below, if price close below, as of now, price haven't yet closed below, this moving average, this 50-day moving average. If price close below this 50-day moving average for Ethereum, then that's not gonna be good for Ethereum. You can see Ethereum come right down to this area here where it was. That was $2,180 per Ethereum. And if that was the case, it's gonna be cheaper, guys, for us to load up. The idea here is for us to look at zones where we're gonna load up on these coins. We want to load up. We want to be able to make money every month, guys. You must not make money every day. If you're able to make money every month, you're able to grow your portfolio every month. That's good. That's my target here. That's my goal here. I want us to be able to make money every month. Grow our portfolio, grow our bag, and make sure we are accumulating more Bitcoin. We are printing Bitcoin. So let's just dive right away and see what we got here with other altcoins. Like let's check Chirpley. Chirpley has pumped, recently. Chirpley is one of my babies. But Chirpley on the 4 hours time frame, it looks good. It looks good. I've been waiting for some retracement. I took out some profits at the top here, yesterday, and I wasn't bothered enough. Why I wasn't bothered enough? Because I saw that this moving average, the 5-day moving average, was far away, and also the 13-day moving average was far away. And more to that, I can see that the 50-day moving average is also far away, and this my indicator, the bottom moving average, is far away as well. So looking at all this, I can be patient also to wait for price to retrace. And looking at the trend below, you can see that wow, it has printed an over our overbought zone here. This zone is an overbought zone. Let me zoom out the trend. You can see it's, looking at this, this is massive. It has even form an M here, meaning we can see price attempt to go here, then reject, go back downward, and reset. Guys, I don't waste time to want to be that guy to want to FOMO in, thinking that, okay, I'm going to be making money like this. No, guys. I'm that guy who is going to be patient enough to wait for market structure to break, to wait for price to reset, and then get in at a more cheaper price and a more secure area where I think even if price have to go more downward, it wouldn't be that significant. Imagine that I buy here and price dip more than 30%. That's going to be huge for me. But if say I buy here and price dip 10%, okay, I know I'm gonna get more, getting more cheaper here. But 30% is high, pretty high. But now, what do we want to see with Chirpley? Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's debunk this baby. Let's see what we got here with Chirpley. Now, guys, looking at the fact that these moving averages are closer, I always guys, I've been looking at the charts for so long, so many months, days, I would say not that many years, let me say 2 years now. I'm not that super people who will say I've been trading for 13 years, 10 years. No. I'm here full time, looking at the charts. I think 2 years now, and yeah, for the from last year, I've been consistent, and I want to keep being consistent with my analysis, onward. So looking at this zone here, I think that we might see price. We might see a little bit of a dip down there before price retrace. If price does that on a lower time frame, that's when you want to get in again. Let's say you miss out on this movement with Chirpley, you want to get in when price does that, right? So be aware of that. The reason why I also think that price can do that is looking at what price has been doing recently after the pump. Price haven't been able to, make its way back to the high. And remember, guys, if you can recall what I always teach you guys here on this platform is, if price make a high like this, and if price is not able to make higher highs, then you have to make sure you are going to look for the next zone where price can retrace to, and when price retrace to that zone, then you can then now buy and make some profit out of it. This is important. You look at this, in this way, because if you're not able to look at this way, you wouldn't be able to make better decisions, to look at zones where you can buy, zones that you can take out profit. For example, I took out profit here and I haven't buy again, and also if I see price stay around this range, if price keep moving around this range for a long time now, and this indicator is set and come up here, come and price stay above this line I drew here, if this indicator is set and go right up, then maybe if I look at the trend has also reset on the 50 minutes time frame, then I can say, okay, now because of this, maybe I should buy again, because price is holding. You can see price has been building some sort of resistance support area there, and that's pretty good. With Chirpley, we want to see price do that, but if price break this line, then I think we're going to see price go where I mentioned, then before price can bounce back to the upside. So let's just wait and see how this play out in this case. Let's look at TRB Coin, Teller. Teller also, I would say that this coin moves alongside with Bitcoin. To be honest, guys, this coin move alongside with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is doing well, then Teller will make you money. If Bitcoin is not doing well, then Teller won't make you money. Of course, I think maybe the era for the pump is over. Now we want to base on not based on let's say hype. Let's focus on market movement, market structure, market sentiment, what is going on in the market. I'm looking at the 4 hours time frame for this project. I can see that the upside is still there. There's still huge liquidity here for this coin to come and grab. It has been moving, in this manner, and I think we can see price go to that level, where I mentioned, at this area here at about $257 per TRB coin. So you can pay attention to that, and the reason why I also say so is looking at the daily time frame. I can see that price has already reset and price is moving upward gradually, so we can see a huge spike. If something happens with Bitcoin right now, if say we are seeing a dip with Bitcoin, I think Teller is gonna make a huge move to the upside, right? I think that's gonna happen, and saying that, I think I'm gonna buy after the show. I'm gonna buy some Teller and hold, because I think Teller is onto something here. But also, I cannot really confirm that this move is gonna happen, because if I look at this on the daily time frame, I can see that price is still above, is still below this 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. So I want to see price go above it. Maybe to an extent, I see the Trendillo prints a sell signal, a buy signal before I can confirm. But if I look at this on the 4 hours time frame, maybe on the 4 hours time frame, there's some sort of flavor there for this, because you can see price is now above this. So I think to an extent, guys, we can see some sort of movement with Teller on the 4 hours time frame, and you can see price is above this moving average, and the alpha trend has been started printing this, showing as if you want to go to the upside. So this is very important. If say you are investing in TRB, or you want to buy TRB, I think this zone, this is what price will do. Pay attention to this. I love to show you guys what price can do, so that if price does it, then you are able to capitalize on it. Let's say, for example, you don't want to buy it right now. You don't know if say this is going to be the case. Like if say price is going to go up, what you want to see is this. Price should do this. Price is going to obviously bounce from this moving average. That is the 200-day moving average. So price should, go a little bit above it, then come back here, around this area. Then before we can say, okay, maybe you can buy it there. In any case, you're going to buy it back. If say you're going to buy it back at the same spot, like if say you would have gotten today, if you wait for this to play out, then you buy the pullback, and this is going to be amazing. And also, the reason why I think this coin is gonna go up more is because of this rejection here. You see, price rejected this area here, and it's good to see that price rejected this area. You can see this is kind of like a hammer. And from there, if I would have seen this, I would have buy. I didn't see this, guys. There was like a hammer, and price didn't favor lower price. But I think price has gotten to a level where we're gonna see more upside for TRB Coin. But I think to an extent, this is gonna be the best bet for us. Of course, this would have been an area where you got in, like because you see this rejection here, and immediately we saw this buy, and price is respecting structure, and now we see the alpha trend is printing this, is showing as if we want to move upward, which is good. I think after this I'm going to buy some of it, because I'm going to focus my TA on the 4 hours time frame, and then maybe buy it if it gets to this, if it keeps this price at around $127. I'm gonna sell and buy it again back at $122. I think that's what I'm gonna do for TRB Coin, if that's the case, or if that scenario play out. Now, what else do we have on let's check on Solana. Solana also is an important project for me. I have been trading this coin, and I've seen that it is so great, to trade Solana. It makes me Bitcoin. But now this is the volume profile, and Solana is sitting above the value area high, which is good. We want to see Solana, keep doing that. I mentioned in my stream that Solana is going to retrace anyways, to this zone here. And let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can see it properly. I always say, guys, follow my stream, and you're gonna get so much value from it. You can see this was where the price break out, and price has came back to retrace it. So what I want to do, if you say I'm gonna buy Solana, which I'm gonna buy Solana, I'm gonna do buy Solana when I see price does this. I see price go above this indicator, then come back and retest it. That's when I'm buying Solana. And now I can say that maybe to an extent the Solana price has have resetted. Let's see if where the trend needle is. Yeah, I can see trend needle is right now at the oversold area, and when I see it on the oversold, and when I see it at the oversold area and see that price is respecting structure and the indicators are closer, then I'm gonna be looking for an opportunity to trade the hell out of the coin. So guys, we can see more downward movement with crypto this week in general. I think there's news coming today. What news do we have? The Fed price conference, the Fed interest rate decision. So the Fed rate price conference and the Fed interest rate decision is gonna be today. What time? At 20. That's 8 o'clock. It's gonna be at 8 o'clock, January 31st at 8 o'clock. That's 8 o'clock my time. I don't know about your time there. My time, like Swedish time, it's gonna be 8 o'clock. So yeah, let's see. Maybe from that time we're gonna see a lot of volatility in the market. Hopefully we're gonna be available to make some profit from that movement. So that's that for Solana. Let's move forward to Ordi. Ordi also, guys, I talked about Ordi yesterday on my stream, and if you say you follow my stream again, you're gonna make money, no doubt. And it's not as if I want to I wanna brag, but yeah, let me brag a little bit. My stream these days has been accurate, 90%. Let me put it that way. And if say you have someone who is accurate 90%, then you should be making money always. 10%, it's not much. Now, the reason I mentioned that Ordi is gonna come to this zone here, I go to my stream yesterday and I mentioned it. I already drew this volume profile and I said Ordi is gonna come to this area here, and if Ordi comes here and hold, and this area is the value. Looking at the volume profile, this is the value area high. Sorry, this is the point of control, the POC. Looking at this volume profile here, this is the POC, and price bounce exactly from there. And if say price have to even go down further, this is the next zone for you to look at a buy, like a buy. This is at $57 130. I'm gonna actually place a buy order there for Ordi. So if say you have to look like if when the US market open, we can see price houses, like we can see a huge price movement to the downside. Price bounce from here there before price maybe move back upward. But I think that's gonna be the case. And if that's the case, we can see price attempt to go through this value area higher. This area here is gonna be around let's see $59, right? So price can get there, reject, and then trade sideways, and then before price can continue. But this is the area that we're gonna see price get to. That's $57. And if say price is not able to hold at $57, the next zone we can see price go to is gonna be at $53. Guys, this is gonna be the worst case scenario. Price gonna get to $53, and if you see price at $53, then it's a buy for you. All right, guys. I think I've exhausted most of the coins I want to share with you guys here. If say you have any coin that you want me to share, do comment below. Now it's time to start looking at ways to load up, and I've already shared with you guys areas where you can load up on these coins. Let's look at ICP. I think I have to look at ICP. I have just 3 minutes left, so let's look at ICP quickly so we can see what is going on with the ICP boss, the boss ICP. Actually, guys, you can buy one ICP now. If say you are DCA in ICP, you buy one or two now. I think we're not gonna see ICP move that drastically downward. Let's see if say that's the case. If ICP have to move drastically downward, where do we expect? I don't think that's gonna be the case anyway, guys, because like this moving average is so far away. Except something's gonna be crashing here for ICP to move from $11 to $7. I don't see that happening anytime soon. So yeah, I think we're gonna see a bounce from where price is right now, and even if price have to do something, price is gonna do it like this, then recover quickly. With ICP, this is the 4 hours time frame, and if we look at the daily time frame, sorry, the 1 hour time frame, at least we look somehow bullish. You can see price is above now on the 800-day moving average, which is good on the 1 hour time frame for ICP. So I think ICP is a buy now. Like, it's a buy now. Trust me, it's a buy now. This, or if say the worst come to the worst, I think we're gonna see ICP get to this come to test this support area. Yeah, this is gonna be an area where maybe if say something bad is happening with Bitcoin, we can see ICP move like this, then come down here, then we're gonna see a buyback immediately. But in that case, I think this is gonna be a good range for you to buy ICP. It's gonna be a good range, and maybe the worst come to the worst as well. Let's do this. Let me actually do this. Let's see the worst case scenario for ICP. Where can we expect price to go to from the high? Looking at the volume profile, guys, there's no actual worst case scenario. Price is actually there's a worst case scenario at $11 from the volume profile. And looking at the volume profile, I think price has just bounced from the POC, and when price get to the POC, we see wow guys, this is so correlated. The POC is price is around the value area low, and when price get to the value area low, there's always gonna be a buying pressure, and buying pressure back to the POC. So we can expect price to bounce back to $12, with ICP. And if price is not able to hold that zone or break that zone, that $12 resistance based on the POC, then maybe that's when we want to sell and cash out. Then, because I think we're gonna see more downward price being favored with ICP. So these are the scenarios and the coins that I am looking at. If you have your coin and I haven't talked about it, maybe you can share it with me. Tomorrow I can also do more of those coin. Let's look at ApeCoin. ApeCoin, let's look at ApeCoin. Actually, guys, ApeCoin also is a buy. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, look at where ApeCoin has bounced. Like, even though ApeCoin massive is going down, but it's still in an uptrend. Look, the range where price bounced, price went straight right away up here, and price is retracing back. Guys, even though price is below this moving average, this is the moving average I talked about yesterday also. The 50-day moving average, even though price is below it, but I think price is respecting structure, and I think price is trying to do this, moving in this range. I think price is just is ranging with ApeCoin. Price is ranging because I think that price wants this moving averages to get closer before price can make its way to the upside. I think that's what is going on with ApeCoin here. I think ApeCoin is a buy. ApeCoin is a buy. If you want to get some ApeCoin, because you can see what ApeCoin is doing here is awesome. Playing around this area here, ranging, going up, come down, up, and it's still in an uptrend doing this. You can see it rejected here. Now it has rejected here again. So we're gonna see price move more up to the upside for ICP. All right, guys, we are live already for about we're live for about 31 minutes. And before I go, I want you guys to be patient with your investment, be patient with your coin. Don't focus on what those YouTubers are saying, buy this coin is gonna make you a millionaire. If say you believe in a particular coin and you are able to do the analysis of that coin and see that the coin looks good, the investor coming on board is volatile enough for you to make you money, then guys, stick with that coin and buy back instead when you see a dip, like when price gets back to where when price get back to where price started falling, you can make more profit, and you keep doing that with that 1 or 2 coin. Focus on that, and when you have made enough money, then you can diversify to other coins. Don't jump from one coin to another because this one say this coin is gonna bomb, then you jump from your coin to this coin. No, stick to your coin. If say you want to follow my channel and stick with the coins I share on my channel on a daily basis, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ordi, ApeCoin, and other coin, ICP, and others that I share here on a daily basis or on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, then, it's going to make you money. I think that's the best thing you can do for yourself, like providing you don't understand how to go about technical analysis. So stick with me. Let me help you. Together, we're going to do this. And, someday in the future, we're going to be happy, that we did it. Like, together, we are strong. Subscribe. Like this content. See you tomorrow, same time. But don't forget to join my Telegram group and follow me on Twitter. That's an important thing to do. Bye-bye.